In this tutorial, we're going to go over the features and functionalities that the Nora middleware by Setplex has to offer. Once you've successfully logged in, the first window you always see is a dashboard. Now, on the dashboard is a brief overview of the current state and status of the middleware. Some of the basic information that you see here is your new subscribers within the last 24 hours, disabled subscribers, total subscribers, catch-up feature, which if you offer any catch-up channels, live TV channels, and also video on demand. On the live streaming graph, you will see the usage of the middleware, such as by count of customers or by hours watched. On the bottom portion is the popular channels, so these are the most viewed channels within this middleware. When you go over to packages, this is where you create different packages within your own middleware. Packages are completely independent from each other when it comes to subscribers, channel list, branding, and everything else. I'm not going to go too in-depth about how to add packages. That's something that we're going to cover on the later tutorials. But we'll go over the basic features that the packages have. One of the features it has, you can view all the subscribers within this package specifically. You can add a subscriber box. Announcements is where you can send an announcement to all your customers or one in particular. Activation settings is where you create different products for the packages, such as monthly, 6 months, or 12-month packages. Channel list is where you can create channel lists of how the channel lineup is going to appear on the TV side. And STB is where you could control the look and feel of the package. Also, the settings of the package itself. On the subscriber button here, once you click, it will show you all the subscribers within the middleware. TV channels are going to show you all the TV channels that are added to the middleware. Radio channels, self-explanatory, it's just the radios that are added in the middleware. Video on demand is all the video on demand titles within the middleware. Categories are the categories for radio stations, video on demand, or TV channels. So if you create different categories such as movies, music, news, this is where you create all the categories and you assign different packages, different channels, different radios within the category. Channel services, this is where you have the catch-up features. You can assign catch-up channels from the middleware side. Smart Catch-up is a feature where you can rewind live TV, fast forward, and go back up to 7 days. The Devices button is where you can see all the devices that are connected to the middleware, such as set-top boxes, phones, and smart TVs. Settings is where you have the general settings of your middleware, such as any type of integration, any type of outside services that the middleware uses. System tasks are generally all tasks that are run daily or hourly based on like EPG or anything that has to run simultaneously on daily tasks that it has to perform. Payment systems is different types of payment systems that we have integrated with. Extensions are the other outside services that we use, such as the streaming or catch-up servers. Info is the information of the system, such as what kind of version is the middleware currently running on, and all the other general information. Users is where you create users for different users that are going to use the middleware. Permission rules are where you can create rules for different groups, such as low-level employees, managers, and administrators. Distributors is where you can create voucher IDs. If you have any distributors and you want to create hundreds or thousands of different vouchers, this is where you can add a distributor and then assign those vouchers to that certain distributor. Reports is where you can generate reports based on usage for clients, active clients, disabled clients, and you can get very in-depth reporting. This is it for our general information about the Nora middleware by Setplex. Thank you.